Hello class. Today we're looking at lipids, so please turn to page 775 with me. And please pay attention because this will be on your test, so yeah. So start us off, please.
Key concepts, right? Okay. What physical property distinguishes lipids from other classes of biological molecules? How do phospholipid molecules arrange themselves in water? Vocabulary. Lipids,
Triglycerides.
Glycerides. I don't know how to say that.
Sponification.
Phospholipids and waxes.
Connecting to your world. Candles were an early invention of ancient civilizations. Candlesticks that date to at least 5,000 years ago have been found with other artifacts from the civilizations of ancient Egypt and Crete. Before the invention of electric lighting, wax candles were the major source of lighting in homes. In this section, you will read about more waxes and similar compounds that make up the class of biomolecules known as lipids.
Triglycerides. Lipids tend to dissolve readily in organic solvents, such as ether and chloroform, rather than in highly polar solvents, such as water. This property sets them apart from most biological substances, such as carbohydrates and proteins. Phospholipids. In water, phospholipids spontaneously form a spherical double layer, called a lipid bilayer, in which the hydrophobic tails of phospholipid molecules are sandwiched between two layers of hydrophilic heads, and then waxes. Right here. Back to pics.
Figure 24.10. Moderate levels of dietary fats and oils are essential to health.
Figure 24.11. These photographs illustrate soap making. Once the soap is formed, it is poured into molds. Later it may be milled or shredded with scent or color added, and then remolded to produce a finished product.
24.12. A space-filling model of lecithin is shown here. In this simplified representation above, the hydrophilic head is shown as a sphere and the hydrophobic tails are wavy lines.
Figure 24.13. A cell membrane has a lipid bilayer structure. The hydrophilic heads are in contact with water, but the hydrophobic tails are not. The lipid molecules move easily within their own layer, but do not readily move to the other layer. Yeah.
So for notes, we're drawing picture figure 24.12. Yeah.
Wait, this weird figure right there.
Yeah.
Need some music or something. This is awkward.
I know.
Do the Jeopardy.
I got this.
There we go.
That feels more like.
Ooh, I can breathe.
I was like.
I was getting a little nervous, like trying to do this. Wow. Yeah, what, like right by his ass cheek?
Get out of here, hey, get out of here. Get out of here.
Teacher, don't do that.
I'm sorry. Pesky teenagers.
Like he even dressed like Mr.
Yeah, he really did.
Why don't you proteins. People.
Did you ever see him? Yeah.
What is
Look. All out. Look at his shoes.
Oh my God, Mr. Rasmussen.
He even has his socks and sandals.
No, that'll be
I
it.
know.
TA, turn off the music. TA,
Alright.
thank you.
I think it's TA.
As I said.
It's a yeah.
All right.
Okay, now on the bottom.
Yeah, go ahead.
On the bottom of your notes, put section 24.4, RQ 1 and 2, page 777. Number 1 says. Just
Can I see it?
RQ1 and 2.
I can't.
I don't have to.
Number 1.
And number 1 says.
Capital L.
Probably hold Carly by yourself.
Listen up.
Really? What is this supposed to say? He says, "You guys."
It works. Okay.
And
Okay,
number 1.
number 1. What physical property sets lipids apart from biological substances such as carbohydrates and proteins? Capital L. Lipids tend to dissolve, how do you say it? Readily in organic solvents, comma.
Wait, what?
Oh.
Lipids dissolve readily tend to
Dissolve.
Readily in organic
It's on page 775. It's the bold.
solvents, comma.
Oh man.
No, I always do that. Such as, how do you say that?
Ether.
Ether
How do
and
you say that?
Chloroform.
chloroform and rather. No, sorry.
ether.
Rather.
Oh.
What?
Students, stop. You're
Chompy.
being a distraction.
Unbelievable.
Step out.
Rather than in highly polar solvents.
Wait, ether? How do you spell ether?
Go to page 775. It's the bold.
Yeah, I'm just gonna read it.
And
you guys
follow
can look
along.
We're writing the whole thing.
Yes.
That
The
whole-
entire
Chompy,
roll.
chompy.
Yeah, 2 sentences.
Look at the second one.
Chompy.
Do you think
Your
that
hand
one's
needs a
long?
workout.
I think it's a workout every day. I mean, I was waiting for you.
It took me a while, but I got it.
I was having baby.
So funny.
No, yesterday I was watching 50 First Dates. Did you say? My fingers are extra fishy today. Spinning my walrus. Thinking of you.
Do you care to take a whiff?
Hey,
Okay.
So it's gonna be funny when we watch it the next time because we're gonna be like, what the fuck? You can probably count the times I do that for you.
I was gonna say they can mute it, but
What's the point? The point is supposed to be.
What, just mute the whole presentation? Well, they told us to do something, but we don't know because we can't hear them.
But it's okay because he's probably gonna cut them. Like, he won't use all
Yeah.
of it.
Yeah,
Watch this medical tiger back.
this one is.
My ink is
Okay, number 2. Wait, do you have to repeat it?
It's gonna be a long
yes, I did. Can you please repeat it for us?
I have to repeat it? What
Yes.
the hell?
Yes.
Yes.
Oh.
yes.
Do I really?
Yes.
You most greatest and
You
most
just wait till
wonderful.
you see the next
Emma,
one.
Emma.
Listen carefully
Emma,
in
no.
each reading.
Am I actually reading this?
Yes.
Oh, okay. Number 1, lipids tend to dissolve readily in organic solvents such as ether and chloroform, comma, rather than in highly polar solvents such as water, period. This property sets them apart from most biological substances such as carbohydrates and proteins.
All right. Good job. All right. Oh.
Number 2. How do phospholipids behave in water?
I know.
Brendan?
In water, phospholipids spontaneously form a spherical double layer called a lipid bilayer, in which the hydrophobic tails of phospholipid molecules are sandwiched between two layers of hydrophilic heads. Period.
Pup. Pass it to the left, to the left.
Wait.
We didn't even write it.
Oh, well, it's on page number
776.
Yep.
I got you.
Oh.
I'm still at spherical.
Take your time. We have
How long were we on the
some
phone?
time.
That's cool.
Dude, we're done.
We are cranking.